Hello and welcome to trandsi Advanced Trading Systems, you guys. It is Sunday. This is the watch list that I'm putting out for my short positions into the market. I have a video that I'll put in the description below for my long entries into the market this next week, but this one specifically is going to be going over my short entries. You guys, in this video, we're going to be discussing Carnival Cruise, Snapchat, Visa, and American Express. Going over the technical analysis on why I believe these could be great potential short entries into the market. If you haven't done already, please do like and subscribe. Every Sunday I do send out watch lists and through the week recapping our entries and exits when we end up taking profit. If you are not making money along with us every week, it starts today. Subscribe and you guys will start making money by using this system and following this channel. Alright, to dive into it, let's start with CCL, Carnival Cruise Corporation. The reason I'm looking at this for a short position, we're on the 4-hour time frame. We got overextended, in my opinion, into the top two red bands here with our money momentum, and we are stepping down. We ended up getting a red solid EMA crossover in the market, and we switched over to a middle band, which represents a bearish trend overall. You can see price with this bearish trend is going down further and further. We did have this solid red candle here, followed by a green candle that has a wick sticking way out of the top in a very small body. I do believe that this could be a great entry into the market, and I would be looking at taking profit on this green line at 21.35. There is no sign specifically, in my opinion, that we should see a pop up in this. We may get a slight pop, if that, because on the 1 hour we're showing a little bit of a direction coming back up, but our overall on the 4 hour, in my opinion, this is a perfect setup to be testing this support as we've seen in the past many times at this level of 21.35. So I'm going to be looking at Carnival Cruise Line CCL to a short position come Monday. The next one I'm looking at is Snapchat. If you guys are following this YouTube channel, I made a video last week. We took profit on Snapchat and made a great percentage. We're making 20-30% on our trades, you guys. That is what I'm trying to go for every week on individual stocks, trading options. On the 4-hour chart, I still believe Snapchat has some room to fall. They had earnings and shot straight up. What goes up must come down. It's just how far down will it go? I see a strong support at this level. This green level is going to be 35.21. That's what I'm looking at for taking profit on Snapchat. We are still in a bearish trend, which you can see easily by the middle of this indicator. We're in red dots. That show money is flowing out of the market. The white line is also your money momentum. That is flowing out. Again, I say this analogy all the time. Imagine you're a person walking on this. Which way are you walking? Which way are you stepping? You're stepping down. You need to be looking for short entries, not long entries. Why would you be looking for long entries in a market that's going down? Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. So I am looking at Snapchat to the downside come Monday. All right, a couple more here. Visa. I think Visa, again, just as these other ones, I don't see this as a strong upward direction right here. They, again, had earnings, had a huge shoot up, and we are still in a downtrend. We're making lower highs. You guys, I want to see this break below this level of 22.66, and I want to see a test of 216.92 represented by this green line here. This has massive support in the past. You can see where we've bounced multiple times, and I do not see this being a strong one to the upside. We had the solid red candle in the following one on the 4-hour time frame. It tried to push all the way back up, but the body only represented this tiny little bit. So I am looking for Visa to the downside. Let's go over to the 1-hour time frame just to go a little bit further. Again, we are stepping down and down and down until we get a market momentum shift, just as we did here, where we have a green EMA crossover and you go to your middle line represented a bearish momentum over to green. This means we're still in a downtrend. You need to be looking for shorts. So that's why I'm looking at Visa. All right, guys, the last one I'm looking at is going to be Axp American Express. I have actually traded this one last week and have already made profits on this, but I want to look at this again. We're going to go on the 4-hour time frame. Again, this is just my opinion. Look at earnings. We've had a huge shoot up, a little bit of a retracement, and another huge shot. The powerful reason behind this system is you're not only able to spot entries, exits, and reversals, but you can show divergence as well. Let me explain what that means. When you have price making higher highs, but your money momentum is making lower highs, meaning it's coming out of the market, you need to be looking at a shift in direction. We also had a EMA change here, which is red, representing a sell. So I understand right here that all three of our parameters were not met just yet. But what I'm looking at right here, if we can zoom in a little bit further, is we have our money momentum stepping down and we have shifted over to a bearish momentum here. Okay? These candles do not support a strong uptrend at all. Price tried to move up multiple times and it got rejected and is looking to fall. My first take profit on American Express, if you guys want to trade this along with me, I will be entering into an American Express this next week, is going to be 191.12, represented by this green line. I do, however, since we're trading on the 4-hour time frame, and I will be doing a month out minimum contract or 4 weeks, do believe we can test lower amounts closer to this 178.33. Okay? Don't get greedy. Take out profit if we end up hitting this level, because I can guarantee we're going to get some type of a bounce because there's a strong bounce at this area. But look at a continuation later on. If you enter in with a couple contracts, sell a contract here and let your runners run below. Okay? You guys, those are the 4 that I'm looking at for this week. I want to let you guys know, if you're trading with us, please do put comments below. Please do like and subscribe so you can make money along with us. We do have this trading system currently for sale for 60% off. It's normally $4.99. It takes less than 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes of your life to be able to download this system and make back this amount. People who have already bought this have made comments to me saying, I've already made this back within the first couple trades. It's worth it. It pays for itself. It is not a monthly membership. This is a one-time fee and you get to trade forever with it. And when I'm alerting these on YouTube, pull the chart up when I'm on here as well. Look at what I'm looking at so you can understand why I enter into certain positions. Just while we're on here to show you guys a little bit more about this system, I want to show you a couple great entries where we've already made money using this system. The first one I'm looking at is going to be right here. We had a solid bullish momentum represented by these green bands, but we got overextended into these top 2 red sections. That means a reversal in the market is coming. Guaranteed. You guys, right down here we got our red Key EMA crossover. Once all 3 of these parameters were met, your entry would have been right here. What happened straight afterwards? It rocketed down. You need to be taking profit down here in the bottom section. In reverse, again, you started stepping back up into the market. You had a shift from bearish to bullish, and you had a green EMA crossover. This is your entry right here. What is happening afterwards? You take profit in this top 2 red bands. That is way up in this direction. You guys, if you're trading with the right tools and the right people, you'll hear me say this over and over and over again. You will become a more successful trader. I don't care if you're an advanced trader trading 20, 30 years, or you're just trading stocks or options for the first time. This system is what you need to be trading with. You guys, I have my email address below. Send me emails. Send me questions. If you're hesitant on anything, let me know. I am the founder of this system. I've put my heart and soul and years of trading into developing this to become the most accurate trading system and the only trading system you will ever need to become more successful. You guys, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Look out for other videos coming throughout the week for taking profit and when I'm entering into the markets. Have a blessed one. Take care.